To everyone. In this module we are going to discuss about business and consumer applications. So in business and consumer applications, under this topic we are going to deal with customer relationship management and enterprise resource planning. So these two are the important for market segments that are flourishing in the cloud, which both are used to access business and customer data from everywhere and from any device. Means that if any one of the in business customer relationship management, so always the business holder wants to access some sort of data, but it may not be available. So in those case, the other persons who has the corresponding data may host all those data on the cloud storage. From the storage, the customer can access everything. So regarding business or whatever it is. And ERP system, it integrates several aspects of enterprise, finance and accounting, human resources, manufacturing, supply chain management, project management and customer relationship management. The solutions are less popular than the CRM solutions at this time. CRM stands for customer relationship management. And salesforce.com, most popular and developed CRM solutions are available nowadays. The salesforce.com is based on force.com cloud development platform. So this is an overview of the salesforce.com and force.com architecture. When we look it into this architecture, it consists of shared databases, virtual application components and indexes. So in here, when we look it into this shared databases, which consists of several database which is mainly used to share its documents or share its data with other end users. So there are certain virtual application components are there which is used to access all those data which is available on the shared databases, and indexes mainly used for to hold the informations about the data, which is as like data about the data, and this is also called as metadata. The metadata cache consists of bulk processing engine, multi-tenant aware query optimizer and runtime application generator, full text search engines. CRM and ERP means customer relationship management and enterprise resource planning. Microsoft Dynamics CRM, it consists of completely hosted in Microsoft data centers across the world and offers to customers 99.9 service level agreement. Each one is considered as a customer relationship management. The instance is deployed on the separate database, and the application provides users with facilities for marketing, sales and advanced customer relationship management. SOAP and RESTful protocol are used for web services. It integrates with other Microsoft products and a line of business applications. So there are three major products: NetSuite Global ERP, NetSuite Global CRM1 and NetSuite Global e-commerce. All in one solution means everything will integrate together and the results will be available in one particular place. Two large data centers on the east-west coast of the United States connected to the redundant links, means that there are different service providers are available. So they used to host the important documents on the cloud services, cloud storages. And next one is Dropbox usage scenario. So which means that whenever the user wants to have host certain application or platform or software, whatever it is, he has to maintain everything in like folder wise. So this is called as drop folder. The drop folder consists of collection of software, application and platform. So and all those things will be hosted on the cloud. Whenever the user wants to retrieve anything, based on the labeling, the user can retrieve from the corresponding folder and have an access over it. Then productivity, Google Docs allows users to create, edit text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms and drawings. It aims to replace desktop products in Microsoft Office and OpenOffice, and it provides similar interface and functionality as a cloud services. The next productivity, cloud desktop means iOS and XiOS 3 iOS is one of the most popular web desktop solutions. It replicates the functionalities of a classic desktop environment and comes with the pre-installed applications for the most common file and document management disks. Exertion XML Internet OS means it's another example of a web desktop environment. Storage level leverages of XML used to implement many of the tasks of the operating system. It rendering user interfaces, defining application business logic, and structuring file system organizations and even applications developments. The next one is iOS. So the iOS will have keen monitoring of all sort of applications and all sort of services in the clouds, so which monitor apps, extends, extras, systems, users and workgroups. So whatever be the action taken, everything will be monitored in the iOS and it will be recorded on the iOS server. So whenever the user wants to have an access over any sort of service, the user has to directly interact with the iOS server. The iOS server will search everything in its database, and if the corresponding data is available, then it will report it to the users. Then social networking and Facebook means 800 million users are nowadays utilizing 2 data centers built and optimized to reduce cost and impact on environment. Technologies constitute a powerful platform for developing cloud application. The reference stack saving Facebook is based on Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. So abbreviation of all those things called as LAMP. The social graph identifies collection of interlinked information that is of relevance for a given user. Most of the user data are served by querying a distributed cluster of MySQL. These data are then cached for faster retrieval, because the repeated instructions or repeatedly accessing services will be available in the cache, so which is mainly used for faster access. Media applications, video processing operations such as encoding, transcoding, composition, rendering are good candidates for the cloud platform environment. Computationally intensive tasks offloaded to cloud computing infrastructures. Next one is Animator. This is an example for that. And interface for quickly creating videos out of images, musics and videos, fragments. So everything will be submitted by the users. The process is executed in the background and the user is notified via mail once the video is rendered, and it is ability to quickly create videos with a stunning effect without user interventions. So artificial intelligence which selects the animation and the transition effects according to the picture and music, drives and rendering the operations. So this is the overview of the Animator reference architecture. Here EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Compute Cloud, which has web front end, and Amazon SQS, which is available on the cloud. So whenever any services is provided through the cloud environment, will have an access over on it. And Maya rendering, these are the animation tool. It is a private cloud solution for rendering the designs by engineering department of GoFront Group. So which is also already we have discussed. So this is all about business and customer relationship and along with its applications. Thank you.